Crypto Paradise fam, it is time to ditch the macro visor once and for all and don the rally caps because Donald J. Trump, the orange man himself, has once again been bestowed by the American people with the title of President of the United States of America. That's right, God Emperor Trump is back. Bitcoin just made a new all-time high. The bears are wrecked, and crypto Twitter is hotter than a three-peckered billy goat right now. Forget about the moon, we're going to Mars, baby. This is the most excitement crypto has seen since Vitalik visited Korea, because we're not just getting Trump. This admin they assembled is like the Avengers of pro-crypto politicians. The Don alone is bringing us tax-free crypto trading. He's going to make America the Bitcoin mining capital of the world. He's freeing Ross Ulbricht. He's creating a Bitcoin strategic reserve, and he's creating the Department of Government Efficiency. And speaking of Elon, if you thought Doge and the meme coin market ripped last cycle, what the hell do you think's going to happen with him heading an entire government department literally named after the original dog token?
But you ain't seen nothing yet.
Oh, and who's Elon bringing along for the ride? No one big, just the father of the End the Fed movement himself, Dr. Ron Paul. And that's just the start. Trump's VP, JD Vance, doesn't just support crypto. The dude's an all-out degen, holding an estimated $1 million in various tokens. Then you got everyone's favorite brainworm, RFK Jr. Not only is he going to get the fluoride out of our water and the lead back in our pencils, but the man is about as pro-crypto as they come. Before joining forces with Trump in his bid for presidency, RFK Jr. proposed tax-free Bitcoin transactions, stopping the U.S. federal government from selling the Bitcoin that they currently have in their possession and ordering the Treasury, get this, to start buying 550 Bitcoin a day until the U.S. government has 4 million Bitcoin or Michael Saylor passes out due to a shortage of blood to the brain from having the world's largest erection.
That's the fifth story we've been kicked out of. Why is it so hard to get an erection?
And on top of all that, we get Tulsi Gabbard, who helped lead the charge against CBDCs, and Senator Warren, Senator Warren, and her anti-crypto cabal, plus the man who is largely responsible for getting Trump to change his stance on crypto and educating him on the benefits of Bitcoin. The one and only Vivek, I'm not even gonna try and pronounce his last name, but the man wants to gut the SEC, label most cryptocurrencies as commodities, and pave the way for simple and clear crypto regulations. My friends and fellow degens, it is time to move from pre-reg to the real thing. To quote the great Conor McGregor, call your wife and tell her to break out the red panties because the Bitcoin bull market of all bull markets just started. Wag me, baby. Oh, and I almost forgot.
On day one, I will fire Gary Gensler and appoint a new SEC chairman.
Ha! Fuck you, Gary. Don't let the door hit you in the ass on the way out. Stay safe out there, fam.